Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of Cambridge IGCSE Paper 2-1 from 2023, May 2023. In the first video we did question 1 to 12. So in this video we are going to do remaining questions. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. So let's start. Question number 13 that we have here. Anaya invests $6,000 in an account that pays compound interest at rate of R% per year. At end of 8 years, the account has earned $621.70. So the amount after earning, this is the principal amount here. So that is 6,000 plus $621.70, that is 6621.70. This is the amount, right? So now the value of investment, we have the formula. Value of investment is P plus R over 100 power n, right? So value of investment, which is amount, right, that is 6621.70. Principal amount is 6,000. 1 plus R, we need to find out R. We'll write it down as it is, power 8, right? So now shift this to here, 0.71 over 6,000, right? And this power, this is, we have 1 plus R over 8. So if we take 1 over 8th root, that will become 1 plus R over 100, and this will be over 6,000 power 1 over 8, right? Then we will find out value of R. So let's calculate this one. We have 6,621.70 divided by 6,000 power in bracket 1 divided by 8, right? So we got here 1. Let me write it down here. It's 1.0124, right? That's the value of this thing here, but we have on left hand side 1 over R over 100. So R over 100 is going to be 1.0124 minus 1. So we are going to subtract 1 from here, which gives us this 0.0124, right? And R, then this 100 is going to multiply over here. So times 100, right? So we have 1.24. So rate of interest is 1.24%, right? So this is simple question that you are plugging in the values of in the formula, but you have to be very careful about these calculations, right? Now number 14, y is directly proportional to square of x plus 3. So y is directly proportional to square of x plus 3, like this, right? When x is 2, y is 5. So to remove the constant of proportionality, we will put k x plus 3 power 2. Now we will put these values here. When x is 2, y is 5. Y is 5, x is 2 plus 3 squared, which is k times 5 plus squared is 25. So k is 5 over 25, which is 1 over 5, right? So that's the value of k. So then from this equation, y will become y will become 1 over 5 into x plus 3 squared, right? Now find y when x is 1. So when x is 1, then what will be y? Y is going to be 1 plus 3 squared. So 1 over 5 times, this is 4, 4 squared is 16. So 16 divided by 5. 16 divided by 5 is 3.2. So value of y is 3.2. right? Okay, now number 15, let's move to number 15. Question from probability. A bag contains 5 green buttons, 2 blue buttons and 6 white buttons. Maya takes 2 buttons at random from the bag without replacement. Calculate the probability that one button is green and the other button is not green. Let me write it down. Green we have 5, blue we have 2 and white we have 6. So in total 5 plus 2 plus 6, it's 13, right? So if it's 13, now we are looking for the probability of green and probability of not green, right? Probability of green is 5, we have 5 green out of 13, okay, times not green means 2 plus 6, it will become 8. Without replacement, then it will be out of 12, right? Again, or it may be 5. First we are going to take 5 out of, it's going to be, 8. This 8 out of 13 times 5 out of 12. So you see, if it's the same thing, if you see, this is 13 times 12, 8 times 5, 40, plus this is 40 over 13 times 12, right? So this became twice of 40 over 13 times 12, right? Because 40 plus 40 it becomes 80, so 2 times this. So we are going to simplify. 2 times 6, this is 3 times 2, 2 times 3, 20. This is 20 over 13 times 3 is 39. So 20 over 39 is the final answer, right? So that was number 15. So let's move to the next question. We have here the magnitude of the vector. The magnitude of the vector is, find the magnitude, So the magnitude is going to be square root of x squared plus y squared. This is 16 plus 25, which is square root 31, which comes out to be square root of 31, 5.56. Four square plus 5 square is 25. This is not 31, this is 41. Yeah, this is 41. So let's calculate square root of 41. It's 6.40. So it's 6.4. Okay. Now in part B, the diagram shows triangle OAC. OAC, A is midpoint of straight line OB. It's midpoint. OA is x, OC is y. If this is midpoint, if this is x, this is also gonna be x. And this one is y. Find CB in terms of x and y. So CB, we are looking for CB from C to B. Let me draw a line here. CB. So CB is going to be CB going from C to B. We can go from C to A, then A to B. So CA plus AB, right? So for that we need to have CA first. For the CA, here we will move from CO here to here, then O to A. Okay, CO is its opposite, so it's negative y, plus OA is x. So we are going to substitute this value here. So negative y plus x, and AB is also x. So this is x plus x, 2x minus y. So CB is 2x minus y, right? That's the final answer. Now number 17, simplify 81 x power 12 and then power 3 over 4. So now this 3 over 4 belongs to both of them. 81 power 3 over 4 times x power 12 times 3 over 4. So 81 can be written as 3 times 3 9 times 3 27 times 3 31. So we can write it down as 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 times 3 over 4 times x power 4 times 3 12, 3 times 3 is 9. So this is gone. 3 times 3, 3 times 3 is 27, x power 9. So that is the final answer. Okay, so that's number 17. Let's move to the next one, number 18. So number 18, we have a question from bearing here. So question from bearing, this one here is the diagram UVW. The diagram shows the position of 3 towns UVW. Here U is due west of W, V, and angle UVW. UVW, this angle. This angle is 125. Calculate the bearing of U from W. So U from W. So always go here from W. So start from W up to U. We need this angle, right? So to find out this angle, we need to have, if we extend this one like this, so we need to have this angle and this angle here. So first of all, we will calculate this one here. So for that, we are given here, we have 62 point, we will use sine rule. By sine rule, 62.4 over sine 125 equals to 27.3 over this angle. This angle, let's say this is y. I'm writing it sine y, right? So from here, sine y is going to be this 27 times 3.3 times sine 125 divided by 62.4, right? So let's see how much is that one. 27.3 times sine 125 divided by 62.4, which is 0.35. This is 0.3583. So we are looking for y. This is sine y. We are looking for y. Y is sine inverse of this, right? So sine inverse of the answer, this comes out to be 21 degree, right? Why we got 21? So this one is now 21. Okay, now we can calculate this. This is a straight line, so 180 minus 125, 180 minus 125 is 55. So this angle is 55 and this one is 90. And now we can find out this one. 90 plus 155, will subtract it from 180 minus 180. It's gonna give us this angle. This angle is now 35. So this is 180 plus 35 plus this gives you that angle, right? So angle, which one? So angle UVW is going to be 180, this one, plus 35 plus 21. Let's see, 180 plus 35 plus 21, it's 236. So that's how you will find it out. Number 19, we have on the diagram, sketch the graph of y equals to cos x. Now you know that we can just look for, we are given this axis here. So as you know, it's cosine, cos 0 is 1, right? So it is here, so there we will have 90 here in the middle, here we will have 70, right? Cos 90 is 0, we know that cos 90 is 0, cos 90 is 0, cos 180 is negative 1 here, so it should come over here up to here 360, like this. This is the graph of the standard graph, right? You have nothing else to do here. Now solve the equation 5 cos x plus 3. So taking negative 3 to other side, so this become negative 3 over 5. So the value of cos is negative 3.5. So x is going to be cos inverse negative 3 over 5. So let's see, cos inverse minus 3 divided by 5. So this is 126.9. So 126.9. So one value is this one, 126.9 degree. Easily we can see, but we are looking another angle between 360. So 126 will be somewhere here, right? So this is the value where it is negative 3.5. So another angle, if you go, because the curves are symmetry, if this is 126.9, this angle here 126.9, here it will be the same. So which is from here, it's also 126.9. so this value is also going to give you the same angle. So as you know that cos theta is equal to cos of 360 minus theta. So we are going to have 360 minus 126.9. so because cos 126.9 will be having the same value. So this minus 360 is going to give you 233.13. So the another answer is 233. We can write down approximate answer, right? Question 20. The table shows some values for y equals to this equation. We are just going to plug in the value to complete this table. So we have negative x is negative 3.5. So 3 times in bracket minus 0.5 power 2 minus 2 times negative 0.5 minus 1, right? So we have 0.75. So this is 0.75. Similarly, I have calculated this one already. We are getting this value as negative 1.25. Right. So now we will, the second part is going to draw the graph. On the grid, the graph of this. This is the equation y equals to this. We are just from negative 1 to 1.5. We are given the values. We are just going to plot the points here. Right. So for that one, we have here this x negative 1 and y is equal to 4. X negative 1 y equals to 4 is here. So this is done. X negative 0.5 is here and 0.75. This is 0.5 and 0.75 will be somewhere here, right? Then x0 y negative 1. Then x 0.5 y is minus 1.25 here, and x10 x 1.5 is 2.75 here. So we are just going to draw a freehand curve here. Don't use ruler, like this. So this is the graph for this, right? Now by drawing a suitable tangent, solve this equals to 0. Now this is y is equal to 0. Y equals to 0 is here. So that means this line is y equals to 0, and we will have these points here, this one and this one. So this is approximately, if you see, is sorry guys, this equation is bit different. So we have y is equal to 3x cubed minus 2x minus 1, right? So here in this equation we have to match it, this one here. So we have 3x squared minus 4x minus 2 equals to 0. So we can write it down, 3x squared minus 2x minus 2x, this can be written as minus 1 minus 1. Now you see 3x minus 2x minus 1. I can rearrange this one. 3x squared minus 2x minus 1, then there is minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Now this is y will be equals to 2x minus 1. y equals to 2x minus 1. So we need to have a small line here. Y equals to 2x minus 1. Let me find out the coordinate, the values. X is 0. When x is 0, and the y is going to be 2 minus 1 is 1. And when y is 0, it will be like this, and 2x is equal to 1 and x is 0.5, right? So we will draw this line on the diagram. x0 y1, x0 y1 is here, and x 0.5 is here, and then y is 0, like this. So we are just going to draw, join the line from here, like this. Okay, so we have these values here. Now for y equals to this one here, so go down there. Sorry guys, making mistake again here. This will also be plus. So when x is 0, because this when we are taking both sides, both are going to be positive. X is 0, y is going to be 1. When x is y is 0, y is 0, this is going to be negative 0.5. So negative y 0, x negative x 0.5, x negative 0.5, and y is 0. So line is going to be here like this. So this line is not correct, sorry. So the line is going to be like this. It's very tricky kind of graph, so it's very near. So going to be like this point and this point. So this approximately is negative 0.45, and another one is coming here, which is less than 7.5. Yeah, maybe only this one. Yeah, negative 4.5, right? Now number 21, a curve has equation y equals to x cubed minus 12x. Find the gradient of the curve at point 1 and negative 1. For the gradient, we will differentiate it, dy over dx. This is going to be 3x squared minus 12. So at point 1 and minus 11. We don't need this one, we just need the value of x. So x is 1 squared minus 12. 3 minus 12, it's minus 9. So this is minus 9. Find the coordinates of the turning point of the curve. So for the turning point, we will substitute dy dx as 0. So that means that 3x squared minus 12 is going to be 0. So 3x squared equals to 12, and x squared equals to 4. So x is going to be plus minus 2. So now we will look for the values when x is 2 and when x is minus 2. And y is equal to x cubed minus 12x. 2 cubed minus 12 times 2. This is 8 minus 24, which is negative 16. So we got 0.2 and negative 16. For this one, let's see. Minus 12x equals to 2 cubed minus 12 times minus 2. This is minus 8 plus 24. This is going to be 16. So the point is negative 2 and 16. So 2 and negative 16, negative 2 and positive 16. So that's it for the turning points. So this was the last question of this paper. I hope you guys understood everything, and sorry for the background this noise. I didn't notice that. We'll take care next time. If you have got any question, you can write in the comment section. I will wait for your feedback, guys. So see you in the next video. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.